Hello guys again, and today is about testing and reviewing this coffee maker and blender. First of all, to start, for the first time, you must clean this cup. Second one, the same in here. And you must put some water inside, of course. Third one, you must clean and that inside. Then you can put some filter, very easy. And then with this, you can seal it. Very nice. And put again the cup inside. We can put some water inside here. It's very useful that you can take out this and go to your water supply and put some water inside. We have maximum 10 from 2 and just going to the position, and near 4 cups it is, it's okay, I don't need more. Then we must put some coffee inside, coffee beans. 2 spoons of that for me. And it's very good for 4 cups. Let me say that they say 4 cups, but 4 cups it's too small for me, of course, because this is it's a small cup and it's a big cup. They are counting with this size, and I need something like that. After we put the coffee beans, seal that. And this is how much strong you want your coffee. This is the strongest. I need light my coffee. It's good here, not in the end, a little bit here. Goes blue. I put it on 4 cups. This stops the blend, and this is make the aroma stronger. And the only thing that you have to do now to push the power button. It's blinking. You hear the processor of blending. Very nice. And that after that it blends, it stops automatic, waiting a little bit, and we hear the sound of the heating elements and the water. It starts to boiling and coming out. The blue line, very beautiful, and in the night, I'm sure. Now water, and we're going just wait for the beep to end the process. And next I want to show you how it blends and how the coffee comes out from the blending system. And that was the sound, and it's off. Now it holds the plate warm for your coffee for a little bit about 5 to 10 minutes. And now let's try the coffee, of course. Very nice color, and the aroma is very good. Very tasty and very hot. It's how I like it. Very good. Now let's see inside. And this is the coffee. The throw it in the garbage. And now I'm going to show you how it blends. I'll throw all the coffee beans inside. Start the blending process. First of all, this. Push the button. And again, that is the strongest. And now, not so strong. Let's push it again. Okay, and here is the difference. That is not so blend, and that is blended. Very good. And that was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like or dislike my video. It's your choice, but please hit the notification bell because more videos are coming in the future and you don't want to miss it. And I think I'm very pleased for this machine. I like this coffee. Have a nice day. Bye bye.